trials and tribulations. The next aspect mentioned in this great supplication is seeking refuge in Allah, the Exalted, from trials and tribulations. A Muslim should desire protection from trials, especially those which can affect one's faith, even if this means desiring death. Departing from this world before being tested in one's faith is a great blessing, and the hadiths seeking refuge from trials mainly indicate these types of trials. For example, a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 3604, advises Muslims to seek refuge with Allah, the Exalted, from the trials of life and death. The trials of life indicate mainly those things which can affect one's faith, such as disbelief, evil innovations, and persisting on sins, all of which can occur when one pursues the excess of this material world. In fact, a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2376, warns that the love for fame and wealth is more destructive to one's faith than the destruction caused by two hungry wolves that are let free amongst a herd of sheep. The trials of death include losing one's faith at the time of death and the trials of the grave. In fact, the trial of the grave will be as difficult as the trial of the Antichrist, according to a hadith found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 2064. It is important to note that according to the hadith found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4077, there is no trial a person will face in this world greater than the trial of the Antichrist. The Holy Quran and the hadiths of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, have made it clear that a huge trial which can destroy one's faith is the pursuit of the luxuries of the material world. For example, in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3158, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that he feared that Muslims would compete for worldly luxuries to the extent that it would destroy them. He added that this was the main cause of destruction of the past nations. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly warned in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2336, that every nation faced a main trial, and the main test and trial of this nation is wealth. In reality, the Holy Quran indicates that each person is a test for another person. Chapter 25 Al-Furqan, verse 20.
And we have made some of you people as trial for others. Will you have patience?
For example, the rich are a test for the poor, and the non-Muslim is a test for a Muslim. Another verse indicates how all things people consider good or bad are trials and tests for them. Chapter 21 Al-Anbiya, verse 35.
And we test you with evil and with good as trial, and to us you will be returned.
This means facing good times and difficulties are a test for a Muslim. Good times are a test which requires gratitude, and difficulties are a test which requires patience. According to a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2464, being patient in difficulty is easier than being grateful in ease. It is important to note that this does not mean a Muslim should completely abandon the things which can be a test for them, such as wealth. It means that a Muslim should instead take what they need from this world in order to fulfill their necessities and responsibilities, according to the teachings of Islam. In respect to people, one should fulfill their duties towards them according to the teachings of Islam and prioritize pleasing Allah, the Exalted, over pleasing people. People will not protect a Muslim if the Muslim acts to please people while disobeying Allah, the Exalted. But Allah, the Exalted, will protect a Muslim from the negative effects of people as long as the Muslim obeys Allah, the Exalted, even if this protection is not obvious to them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.